Boys, so today
I'm sitting down.
it's moving.
Oh my god.
Sorry about that. So basically, we're gonna do Would You Rather, but we're not playing that. We're just like this.
It's moving again. What the hell?
I'm really sorry if this is annoying, but
Right, let's get
his camera stand is stupid.
Yeah, we're going to fix it. Don't worry. Right.
I'll bet you never are. Okay,
Yes,
so who's starting it?
You.
Okay, would you rather poo yourself or pee yourself 2 times?
Poo yourself or pee yourself? Oh,
Yeah.
Pee myself because I can just put everything in the wash, put it in the tumble dryer and then have a bath. Where poo yourself, you have to just wash loads and I can't put.
I'll poo myself because then you just go in your pants and peeing yourself goes everywhere. And you pee yourself twice.
Good point. Right. Would you rather be in a sandstorm or a snowstorm?
Oh, as well, and with peeing yourself, people can see when people pee yourself.
Yeah, I don't care. Right. No, you can't change it like that. Alright. Would you rather be in a sandstorm or be in a snowstorm?
Sandstorm because the roads are hard to measure. How will you pronounce it?
Snowstorm because sand gets in your eyes, up your nose, up your ears. It's just disgusting. And then you have to like have a good wash. It's just but like with snowstorm, it just like covers you in snow, and it also is like might be a little bit windy, but like it
Shut
all
up.
it does is make
Okay,
it cold.
would you rather have 2 iPhone 4s or have an iPhone 6s?
iPhone 6s.
2 iPhone 4s because then I can make them like this, yeah. And I'll record them there and there and then there and then I'll be like, what's your YouTube channel? Stupid.
Okay, would you rather have a red car? Oh, Les is feeding the birds. That's really nice.
Shut up him. Come on!
Shut up. Right. Would you rather have a red car that doesn't work, or
Why would I have a red car then?
or a blue car that does work but only goes 20 miles per hour? No, 10 miles per hour.
A blue car. That was so easy.
I'd have a red car.
Why?
Because then you could just buy another car.
I'll just get a blue car because then at least it's working.
Well,
Unlike the red one, which is like this.
it does work, it just breaks up a lot. So like say like you were going like that and then it stops. And
How
then you
many
have to-
miles? For
and then-
how many miles?
as much as a normal car. And then it goes like that and then it breaks up.
Yeah,
and you
but
have to restart.
How many miles does it go before it breaks?
You don't need, it's not an amount of miles, it just breaks down about 5 times and then it stops breaking down.
What? I don't
Alright, next!
I don't understand.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying next, your turn.
Because you're stupid!
I know I am. Right.
Exactly. You
You
stupid
just
idiot.
burst by your figure. Right,
You just deserved it. Okay, would you rather? Would you rather keep on saying for the rest of your life, even when the universe is dead, even when the multiverse is dead, even when God is dead, and even when everything's dead, but you're dead as well, but you're still like
Imagine that.
or would you rather poo yourself 1,000,000 times in your life? No, would you rather poo yourself 1,000,000 times a second?
Keep on saying I think how funny it would be. You could just go, oh hi, yeah.
I'll I'll approve myself because then they'll approve would literally fly out, go in your face when you're annoying, and then you could choke to death. And the funeral guy would say, "Rest in peace, Jaden. Death by poo."
Okay. Next question. Would
I would totally go to your
Would you rather
funeral.
go to the future or past?
Future, no.
Future.
I just told you that! Something's in my eye. I think it's future.
Oh, come on, future power now. Da, 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 da. Come on, we're not in Storm!
This is the future!
Stop. Right.
And now we're back.
In the future, I'm going to say hi.
Hi.
Guys, hi. Oh! I just predicted the future! Oh!
I don't care.
Right. So,
Your turn. Would you rather have a stick? Would you rather have a stick or have 2 sticks?
2 sticks.
No, but I mean 2 small ones or 1 big one.
Wait. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. Why are you touching me? No, wait. I don't actually care about it.
Shove it in your mouth.
Oh,
Come on.
Stick, so I can beat you up! Ah!
For what?
I don't know.
That's stupid, Jaden. Come on, your turn. Your turn.
Would you rather eat
A potato.
200 cookies
Oh, that would be good.
or 200 Jaffa cakes?
Cookies.
Cookies, because they take, Jaffa cakes.
Cookies.
Jaffa cakes.
Cookies.
You want to go?
No.
You want to go?
This is the future fight. No, it is the future fight. This hurts so much.
That's the end of the video, guys. See you later. Ice cream. The ice cream joke. It always calms you down. Yeah. Alright, let's do our outro. Sayonara, bye guys. You ready?
Wait, but I want. Wait, that was kind of.
Why are you holding my hand?
Because you're stupid.
I'm not gay. Right.
I know you are. Okay, so sayonara.
Bye guys.